Okay, so this is Gemma, who's just come and done the live model part of the training course with Katy at the Training Academy. So Gemma, we spoke to you a couple of months ago, and obviously you've done nails for like 20 odd years and everything else. Branched out into permanent makeup. Done some training with Katy the first 2 days, and we've just come back and we've had 2 full days of live models. So how was it working on people for the first time?
Surprisingly well.
Was it?
Really well, yeah.
Because yesterday we did brows and we also did some lips and we did some eyes. If you could remember back to your first client yesterday, I think it was a local lady, and how did your first set of brows go then?
Yeah, really well. I thought it would be harder than it was, but I slipped into it quite comfortably, and she was really, really happy with the result in the end.
Excellent. And obviously when you say you thought it would be a little bit harder, is that due to the fact that you obviously getting a bit of practice in a bit of a gap between the 2 training periods as well? Was that useful?
Yeah, it was a large gap, yeah, and the skin's it's not the same.
Not the same, but it sort of helps, I suppose, prepare you a little bit, doesn't it? And you're quite a hands-on person as well, aren't you? So, and then today I think we've had like brow model after brow model after brow model. We've had a mixture of like people who have never been in before, never had it before, people that needed correction work. So how was it seeing such a variety of people, and how did they go today?
It was eye-opening to see different styles, different types. It's really not just the same thing over and over again. It's not.
Yeah,
it's just nice.
So, well, I suppose it varies it up a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And in fact, you had one quite particular tricky client that Kate thought would be quite tricky, because she's been in a few times before and has always been quite very particular of how she liked it, but she sort of took a shine to you.
Yeah, she was really complimentary. She was really, really kind, and she gave a lot of constructive criticism.
Yeah.
Or not even criticism, she gave a lot of constructive advice.
Yeah, and it was all seemed to be very positive as well.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good.
And was there any sort of favourite types of treatments that you've done? I know you like covered most of the areas, but was there any sort of particular one that you sort of took a shine to more than the others?
I liked the eyebrows more than I thought that I would like the eyeliner more.
Yeah.
But it's the eyebrows that I've taken to better.
And what is that in particular? Is that just the creative, your artistic side?
So many different styles, so many different types. It's not just one type. It's nice to mix it up.
Yeah, and how was it sort of having Kate, like just being, I guess, I know that originally one of the reasons you booked was because you had one-on-one training, completely just you and Kate the whole time. How did you sort of find your questions were answered, and how did it sort of go just having Kate's attention the whole time?
Couldn't have gone better. She's answered everything I've thrown at her, stupid or appropriate. She's answered everything.
Excellent. So, and now it's just a case of changing your nail room around a little bit, moving a few things around, and making some room for some permanent makeup clients, I suppose.
Yeah, it'll be exciting. A good new year.
Excellent, exactly. Well, have a great Christmas, and we'll look forward to seeing you very soon once you've done your models and case studies.
Assessment, yes.
Brilliant. Take care, Gemma.
Thank you.